Greetings, Saber fans. It's your old pal Megtooth Sith. I hear tell some of you don't like my voice changer, so I've come up with something else. Kylo's hand. Canned phrases at the touch of a button.
Come forward. Approach. Here. Yes. I give my consent. No. Absolutely not. Your thoughts betray you. You support the resistance. If you stand against us, you won't be standing long. We are finished here. You may go. You may go. Good. Silence. No. Absolutely not.
So, if you don't like your voice changer, you can switch to a Kylo hand like this.
So what does this have to do about lightsabers? Well, nothing really. But this is the Adafruit FX soundboard, and I've got it wired to ribbon cable that runs up the glove that's connected to all these switches. You have 4 switches, 2 on each hand. Each switch can have several different quotes attached to it. And then the big question was, will it fit in Kylo's glove? And the answer is yes.
Come forward. Approach. Stand here. Yes. Silence. Go now and discover your true power. I'll be watching. Excellent. Good. Excellent. You have strength and determination. You will serve us well. The First Order will see to that. Come forward. Approach. Stand here, beside me. Here.
So it works really good under the glove, which all that's concealable under the sleeve. It works good under the glove, and it's pretty simple. You just run it through a voice booster box like an Aker, and it has a plug in it for your Aker, and then you have to power it with a USB power source, which I have it here, and it's actually plugged into the wall right now, but you can wear a USB power source on your belt. But it's another solution. I'm not mass producing these yet, but once we get the sounds figured out, we may put out a run of these to put on Knights of Ren Facebook group. This build was for Mike Perez. He's the one that sent me all this stuff, and he had the idea, and I built it, and I think it works. I even, just to let you know, Mike, to make it safer to take the glove off, I actually sewed in the heat shrink on the wires. So as you're taking the glove off, just pull the tips off the glove like this, and try not to get your fingers stuck on the switches. And then once you get it started, then just pull those wires to get the individual fingers out, so you don't pull the wires out of the switches. And then once you're down, you know, past the stitching, you should be good to go ahead and pull the glove off, because it's stitched below that, and then there it is. Putting it on is relatively easy. It's putting it off that's the danger of pulling the switches out happens. But I hope you like the glove, Mike. You know, it's cool. May the force be with you always.